In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers to QuickBooks Online. We'll start on the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, click Expenses. This takes you to the area where all bills, purchases, and payees live. Along the top of this page, look for the Suppliers tab. Depending on your region or product version, this tab may be labeled Vendors. In QuickBooks Online, suppliers and vendors mean the same thing, so choose whichever label you see and continue. Once you're on the suppliers or vendors page, you'll see a list of everyone your company buys from. If this is a new file, the list may be empty. That's perfectly normal. To add someone new, go to the top right corner and click New Supplier or New Vendor if that's the button on your screen. This opens a clean profile form where you'll set up the details for that supplier. Begin filling out their details. Add the supplier's display name exactly as you want it to appear on bills and reports. If there's a legal name that differs from the display name, include that to keep your records consistent and compliant. Enter contact information such as a general email and mailing address so purchase orders, remittances, and any communication reach the right place. If you track phone or website details, you can store them here for quick reference later. You can also capture important accounting information while you're in this form. For example, set default payment terms so QuickBooks calculates due dates automatically when you enter bills. If the supplier uses a specific currency or you want a default expense category, select those options to reduce data entry and minimize mistakes. Use the Notes field to record useful reminders, like preferred shipping methods or internal account numbers, so anyone on your team has the same context when working with this supplier. Take a moment to review what you've entered. Accurate supplier names help prevent duplicates, and correct addresses make year-end reporting smoother, including any 1099 tasks where applicable. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks adds the new profile to your list and returns you to the Suppliers or Vendors page. You'll now see the supplier listed and ready to use on bills, expenses, and purchase orders. If you ever need to update this information, open the supplier's profile from the list, make your changes, and save again. Keeping these profiles complete improves reporting and speeds up future entries. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to navigate to expenses, open the Suppliers or Vendors tab, create a new profile, fill in the details, and save. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along in your own QuickBooks Online to practice.